Mom, I feel like having some sweets.
Can I make a laddu for you?
No, Mom, it's usually made with sugar. Can we make something special without sugar, Mom?
Okay, let's do it.
Ingredients: pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, sesame seeds, black and white, sunflower seeds, and sabja seeds. Nuts: walnut, badam, cashews, and groundnut. Dates and raisins, and cocoa powder. Keep the container in the low flame. Add little ghee and roast the seeds and nuts. Once roasted, keep it aside for 5 minutes. Now add roasted seeds and nuts into the blender. Grind the seeds and nuts until coarse. Now add dates and raisins and blend it well. Finally, add the cocoa powder and blend it well. Pour the mixture into the container. Roll the ball as tightly as possible. The ball in the glass container like this. The specialty of the energy ball is it's made up of seeds and nuts. Thanks for watching.